Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Jatin. Uh, I'm from Chandigarh. I just recently attended the 4-day real estate workshop by Lisa Home Solutions. The only one word I have to say about it: exceptional. It's just changed my thought process of how to work in a real estate market, because before attending this workshop I didn't even knew from where to start, but it actually gave me a direct path towards my plan, and the confusion that I have in my mind has been completely been cleared. Apart from that, I also would like to say about this workshop is there are a lot of things that you're going to learn. The most important steps to be successful and become the top 1% realtors in the country: one, you should know your funnel. You should know how to generate your leads. Two, you should know how to automate the system, because whatever it may come, you cannot do everything. And the third, and the most important rather, how to close the deals, because if you don't close the deal, then you're not there at all. Apart from all these 3 points, I also learned, and probably I think this is one of the best for sure, that you end up being a part of a community. And community, I mean, you become a part of the realtors, a group of realtors who are in this together. Like for an example, if I want to say for myself, in these 4 days actually got to know about 4 to 5 people who are based in Chandigarh and nearby areas, whom I actually have the same kind of thinking process like the way I have, and I can go ahead and do business with them. So overall, I must say that the cost that you actually pay for this course is nothing actually. You know, you end up seeing that you haven't paid anything, because the kind of inputs you get from this course is out of the world. So I would suggest everyone here who actually wants to make a career in real estate and who are serious about it, let me mind you, even if you're fresher or experienced, whatever may come, you should be part of this course. And leave rest to the management of Lisa Home Solutions, because trust me, they will not leave you, and they'll be together till the time you don't become successful. Bye bye.